everyone, we are working on a new project today. It is the Bride of Frankenstein. So I started getting out my black paint and painting her hair. And in the process of that, it was really cool. I mean, the darker I can get that wood to look as with the black, it looks really stunning. So I'm trying to speed through this video so that way I don't waste a lot of your guys' time. And time is important, of course. So once I got done with the black, I decided to give her like a little curl in front of her forehead. I thought that would be really cute. Then I went and took some neon green paint and some forest green paint, mixed them together to give it a different sort of brighter green, but not too neon. So I did that, painted all around her face, gave her a little bit of blush, darkened it up in different areas just to give her some, you know, some green highlights like blush or cheekbones. And once I got that done, I went in my vinyl stash. If anybody knows, I do a lot of embroideries and digital designs. So I have lots of scrap vinyl or sheets of vinyl that are all different. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to stick glittery vinyl behind her, like her for her eyes and things like that, and her lips, and just give it some, you know, definition. So in the course of looking through all of my vinyls and things, I found a reflective tape that I bought maybe a couple years ago at Joann Fabrics, and I thought that would be cool for the eyes to reflect if light shimmered on it. So I put those there, then put pink for the lips and blue for the stitches, silver for the hair to give it a lightning bolt silvery look, orange for the eyebrows because I thought that'd be cool, and then whatever I had, I just literally put in those areas to give it definition and to show it off. Once I got everything put in of the vinyl, I decided I didn't like the way the back looked. So I flipped it over and put a solid piece of vinyl on the back to cover up all the layers that there is. So once I did that and got that all completed, I thought, this is looking good. This is looking good. Let me take a look and see if I have to do anything else. And it didn't look like it needed anything else. I thought, you know, the glitter vinyl just made it pop. So then I waited until I went downstairs to take some videos of it. And I love it. Oh my gosh. Anything with that reflector ribbon just made those eyes like boing. And it was like, I couldn't believe it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I really love having you guys watch my videos. And also, we are starting to give away embroidery designs. We have these new wristband USBs that we will be putting our designs on and do them as giveaways.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll put